are a witness to this land, a place of wonders where culture becomes inspired by nature, and nature becomes part of our culture. Here, the tiniest things turn into something extraordinary, and the great things, well, they're just impressive. Water flows through the roots and origins of this vast exotic land, floating with its stillness and the clearness of your mind. Day passes by, turning each second into something treasured. Past finds its way back to the present, reminding us that this soil once saw a grand civilization flourish. Music fills up the atmosphere with all kinds of emotions, and senses become enchanted with the history and artistry of this spectacular country. Now you are a witness of Xcaret, Mexico's majestic paradise.